Good morning friends, welcome back my channel. I am Pawan Vani and today's our new topic is mode of transportation. First of all, we see in this definition, mode of transport is a term used to distinguish between the different way of transportation or transporting the people or goods. For the purpose of convenience, the transportation system can be grouped in the following three categories. In that, the first, transportation by land, second, transportation by water, and third one is the transportation by air. Such of the about three categories we will now briefly describe. In that, the first, transportation by land. The roads or roadway constitute the important means of transportation by land. The first public railway for traffic was opened on 27 September 1825 in England by the most famous pioneer of railways, George Stephenson, in 1781 up to 1848. Very shortly, the idea of laying railway line for public travel spread throughout the world. The first railway line was opened for traffic in India on 16th April 1853 between the Bombay and Thana. A distance of this railway line is 33 km. Thus, the two competing mode of land transportation at present are roadways and railway. For some comparison between the roadways and railway is the accident rate of a roadway is more than the railways. Construction cost and maintenance cost is low for a roadways as compared to the railways. Cost of transportation is more for roadways as compared to the railways. Employment potential of roadways is high as compared to the railway. Also, the hill area of roadway is suitable for the as compared to the railways. In that, second, transportation by water. The water transportation poses historical importance for making the cultural relation and growth of civilization. It can be subdivided into two categories. In that, the first, inland water transportation, and second one is the ocean water transportation. In that, the first, inland water transportation, it is either in the form of river transportation or canal transportation. It is significant to note that river transportation became popular in our country since 1855 and many commercial towns came into existence on the bank of important river like Ganga, Jamuna, etc. Our second transportation in the water transportation is ocean water transportation. It is adopted for the trade and commercials. In commercials or commerce, it is esteemed that about 75% of international trade is carried out by the shipping. The development of Navy force is intended for national defense. The ocean's water transportation has no limitation and it possesses high flexibility. Our third point, transportation by air. There has been the considerable improvement and progress in the mode of transport by air. The Indian Airline Corporation handles the internal traffic of our country and Air India. The other corporation operates the foreign traffic. The travel by air is fairly costly, but it's also grant considerable saving in travel's time. The opening of new flight connection between different cities of the country have made this mode of transport fairly popular at present. I hope friends this video you enjoy and understand. Thank you very much.